Eid feasting got you feeling like a human balloon? Bloated, burping, regretting that third plate of biryani? No worries. Here are 3 super simple home remedies to save your stomach. First up, ginger tea. Just steep fresh ginger in hot water. Amazing for indigestion and nausea. Next, fennel seeds. Chew a spoonful after meals. Helps with gas and soothes your gut. Classic grandma wisdom. And for getting things moving and general relief, warm lemon water. Start your morning with it. It kickstarts digestion and feels incredibly refreshing. Ginger tea, fennel seeds, warm lemon water. Easy, right? Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. Don't let post-Eid discomfort ruin your joy. These simple tricks can make a huge difference. Hit that like button if this helped, and follow for more quick health tips.